Good morning, we are in Banos and it's a bloody beautiful day. About time we had some blue skies. I don't know what the hell that thing up there is. It was like glowing in the dark last night and I'm not entirely sure where these swings are, but that's what we're doing today. I'm just off to get some breakfast. Hannah and Jack are still asleep. I just woke up really early and I just couldn't get back to sleep. So I just edited a few videos. I'm gonna go see what the breakfast is like, and also because I don't get Wi-Fi upstairs. So I'm gonna go connect my phone to Wi-Fi. We are off for the day. I just bought myself an ice cream morning snack. Hannah's just gone to the pharmacy to get some scissors because she obviously lost her scissors at the airport. We're with two more English girls and we're either going to be cycling or what are they called? Like quad biking? Quad biking to, I'm not very good with words these days, quad biking to all these waterfalls. There's like 4 or 5 and if you go to the last one you can swim in it. So that's the plan for today. Let's go. We've got our bikes and our helmets. I'm keeping my hat on, sun protection. We've got these bad boys going. The other two, Hannah and the other girl, have gone to get a Jeep, but the 3 of us are too poor, we can't afford that shit. So we've gone with the bikes because they're $5. It's like 20 kilometers round. So let's go see some waterfalls. We've made it to our first waterfall. Oh, these must be the zip lines. They are.
Yeah, it's the canopy. Zip line, it's just canopy.
Or canopy. It's pretty cool though. They're good waterfalls. And I don't know if you can see, but there's a rainbow down there. The lads got. How is it?
It's fucking so much fun. Would I make you feel any safer if I told you Hannah had experience of driving these things off cliffs?
She
like,
has.
I was joking.
You're joking?
Switch with me right now.
Here comes the bikies. What? There's a car behind us, right? Keep going. Yeah? Yeah, there's a car. Oh, big hump. Huge hump. Oh! Oh! Did we just conk out? Hola! How you feeling?
Fine.
Fine. How are the rest of you?
Living.
We just conked out as we went over the humps, so we're just
Oh, really?
just a couple times.
The right fix there.
Okay. Alrighty, next waterfall.
Next water.
So we've just come to this waterfall. Just a brief stop. It looks fucking sick from here. Hang on, where's the other bag? The blue bag.
Shit! Where is the blue bag?
Hang on, we're gonna have to go back, turn and do a U-turn.
Yeah.
Hang on, stop. Hey, we've lost. Did you?
Where is the blue bag?
Huh? The blue bag?
Blue bag?
Do we know what this one is called? No. Oh yeah, Novia.
Great.
Yeah?
I just want to get to the
The swimming one?
I just want to get to the swimming one, yeah.
Same?
Yeah, it's my chin's a bit sweaty. So's my ass.
We're
waiting for these slow coaches. They're just a little bit slow. Holding us up a bit, aren't they? Yeah. Might just run them over. Yeah.
So, apparently the off-roaders went a little too off-road and went down a landslide. A little bit dirty. You look alright.
I'm okay.
But we made it after looking around for friggin' ages. Let's go. This is the track. God, I'm so shaky because of the friggin' bike. This is the track down to the waterfall. It was $1 to get in. $1. And it better be friggin' amazing because we've just cycled 20 kilometers to this shit. And then we're gonna get a truck back apparently.
Where'd you get the truck back from?
I think you just kind of wave it down. Anything that will take you on a bike. Very pretty. We've reached it. Nearly. We can see it in the distance and it's bloody huge. Looks friggin' muggy as down there. What we've all been waiting for. Jeez Louise. It is bloody big. I don't know where you're meant to be swimming in this. Oh, you're gonna get a little bit wet. Bloody amazing! Freaking huge! That's so cool! Yeah, where is this place you're meant to swim? It's amazing, but definitely no swimming. Just found the second part of the waterfall. So it starts up there, comes but down here. You definitely are able to swim there, but it still looks a bit too rough for us. So we found people over there. Oh look, take the ladder.
I don't want to take that ladder.
Why not? I just want to get in the water, I'm bloody boiling. It looks very nice though. Well, that was a bloody fail. Gemma and Hannah went back, but didn't realise that I have the key and we've locked the bikes up to the thing, so they can't even leave. No water to swim in, it's all too rough. So we're just gonna make our way back. Made it. Yeah, must just be a really rough day. Bit bloody sweaty. That's a freaking horrible walk back up. Are you kidding?
It's not hot.
That's not hot.
Man, it's very sweaty. Man's horrible.
Oh my god.
Oh, that was dreadful. Now the fun begins. We have to try and get a truck to stop and take us and our bikes back to town. I don't even know what kind of truck to try and stop. Because that lot, what?
Like a pickup truck.
Yeah, oh yeah. Like that one that just left there. Huh? Found a truck that will take us. Woo! Woo! Gracias. See? How do we get in? Just jump up, I guess. What did he say?
I don't know. I always just say see it drop you up.
Oh my god, I'm so happy.
Yeah.
Yes! We did it!
See you later.
I'm so happy. I can't believe we actually got a fucking truck. Woo!
Oh, this is so cool! I'm totally stealing all of this.
Yes. Cerveza.
Oh,
Perfect. I'm getting mine now. Oh, she's frothing. Cheers, lads. In the back of a pickup truck. Who needs a dune buggy or whatever they're called? 4x4. much cooler.
You need to do buggy when you've got an illegal truck.
Yeah. And a beer.
And a beer.
Woo.
We're going through a tunnel.
Oh, we're going through another one. Get ready.
I didn't want to.
I'm so happy right now. We just jumped off, got our bikes off, ready to give them some money, and they just drove away.
Free ride!
We are off to Cafe Hood, which is apparently the cafe to be to, and then hopefully we're gonna go up the top to the famous Banos swings. Hannah has steak. How is it? See? Muy bien.
Yeah.
Kerry has a
The basic bitch bowl.
yes, perfect. And me and Gemma haven't got ours yet. So I have some
just laughs out with quiet as opposed to you going.
chicken, vegetables. And what's it called?
Tempura.
Tempura.
Nice.
Looks amazing. Bon appetit. Right.
This is a very exciting vlog.
We're in the taxi up to the swing. There's very illegal 4 of us in dark.
Alright.
Having a great time. It's secret. Jane's in the front. It's $10 to get up. Okay, well, we're up. We're up at the swings. Just saw this. This volcano erupted in 1999. That bad boy up there, I think. I presume. Well,
Wow.
which swing do we go to first, friends? This looks cool. Woo! That's the picture you need for sure.
Nice.
No-handed!
Go.
My bum isn't even on it!
You are?
Hey bum. I'm swinging! Oh shit. Oh jeez Louise!
Yeah, stop.
Don't know if it even does it justice, but the sunset's pretty cool. Oh, cool sunset, smile!
How did that even work?
Cool, awesome day. We're at the top of the treehouse.
Hello.
Pretty cool day out though, I'd say. 10 out of 10.
Would recommend to a friend.
Okay, well, this is the second time we're going in the back of a truck today. Don't know how I feel about
I'll
it.
just sit like up here and think.
Well, you can't see, but we're in the back of a truck again.
I
Again, round 2.